Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to use two tricks to take your Power BI dashboard to the spotlight. So there are times that you want to pass information to users and stakeholders and you want to pass it in the right way. So these are two tricks you can use. The first one is focus mode and the second one is spotlight. So how to use the focus mode? Let's say you have a clustered Power BI report and you want to actually show what matters in a particular visual. So to do that, let's use the focus mode first. The first thing is to select the visual you want to focus on, and the next thing is to use the keyboard shortcut alternate shift F11. So here you are in the focus mode, and what this keyboard shortcut does is that it takes your Power BI reports and bring it in a way that you can easily present or show your stakeholders or your users what you actually want to show them, so that you bring it to the spotlight and everybody sees what you want them to see. The advantage of this is that this keyboard shortcut comes with a summarized table. So you have a summary of what is in your visual, what is in your chart, also in a table. Another way to go to the focus mode is to click on this square box. Is to click on this square box that has an arrow. So when you click on it, it also goes to the focus mode, but this does not come with a summarized table. Yeah, so the second trick is the spotlight. So what does the spotlight do? What the spotlight does is that it dims what else you have in your reports and only shows what matters. So let's see how you can do that. So to go to spotlight, like I said, you select the visual you want to spotlight, then click on the three dots, go to spotlight, then go to spotlight. You can see that every other information in your report is dim, but whatever you want to show, whatever matters at a point in time, is what you can see. I hope you find this video interesting and useful. If you do, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.